how to turn on or turn off easy mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on display. Next in here, scroll down and then tap on easy mode. Then we go down and tap on easy mode. So tap on it to turn on easy mode. And it said here, use a simple home screen layout with a bigger on-screen items, a longer touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions, and a high contrast keyboard for better readability. Any customizations you have made to the home screen will be discarded. So here we've got easy mode switch on, we've got the touch and hold delay and high contrast keyboard. So if I open up my internet browser, and then if I open it, you can see my keyboard will be a high contrast, easy to read keyboard. And that's it. If you want to turn off easy mode, just go back in here and tap on easy mode to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.